The instruction of D30 leader. This is the signal input port. This is the power supply input port. Here's the heatsink of leader. We'll need to avoid dust accumulation to keep clean. About the leader is the fan. Before using the leader, you should keep the fan duct open. Here's the leader's light hole. Will need to be done of dust provision. This is the 48-way DC switching power supply, which forms a complete set of leader's light hole. Power factor should reach at least 600 W, otherwise there will be no laser output. This is the signal cable. Here is a label marked as pin 1, which is the laser's control signal. The control signal is PWM. Pin 8 is GND signal. Pin 7 is the laser control enable. And pin 3 is the laser states output. After the laser turns on, it will be checked itself about 15 seconds. Pin 3 will export a high level when all states are normal. Therefore, pin 3 and pin 7 should be connected together. After connected to the DC power supply, the leader will turn on with 4 fans spinning, then connects to the signal cable. After it warms up about 50 seconds, there will be laser output from input signal. When there's no laser output, first, checking whether the DC power supply is grounded or not. Second, checking the specifications of DC power supply to test whether the voltage and power meet the requirements. When the DC power supply is less than 600 W, there will be no laser output or cause laser output discontinuity. Finally, through the multimeter to measure the real-time voltage when the laser works. Measurement shows 48V when the voltage is less than 44V, greater than 50V, when the laser will trigger the voltage protection. When the voltage is normal, but the laser is still not output. First of all, you need to check if the signal cable is loose. Second, using the oscilloscope to check the pin 1 if there is PWM signal input. Finally, using an oscilloscope or multimeter to test the pin 4 whether the output level is low or high. If it's high level, that shows it's normal. If it's the low level, indicates that laser turns on temperature protection.